8 passive income strategies that actually work in 2025. If there's one financial dream that never goes out of style, it's making money while you sleep.
But let's face it, in 2025, passive income is one of the most overused and misunderstood phrases on the internet.
So what's actually working now? Let's break it down the realistic, sustainable, and automation-powered ways you can start earning passive income this year.
Before we go any further, let's clear the air. Passive income isn't about getting something for nothing. It's income that requires a significant upfront investment, either of time or money, to create or acquire an asset that then generates revenue with minimal ongoing daily effort. Most passive income streams need setup, strategy, and patience. Even digital creators and investors spend months or years building systems before the money becomes self-sustaining. Let's differentiate passive from active income. Active income. You trade your time directly for money, e.g., your 9-to-5 job, freelance work. If you stop working, the money stops. Passive income. You build or buy an asset that works for you, e.g., an investment portfolio, a digital product. It requires maintenance, but not constant hands-on labor. The goal isn't to never work again. It's to decouple your time from your earnings. Why passive income matters more than ever. With rising costs of living, AI reshaping job markets, and a global economy that feels like a roller coaster, having extra income streams is a smart survival strategy. Passive income offers freedom, flexibility, and financial breathing room in uncertain times. Unfortunately, many people confuse making money online with passive income. They are not the same thing. Editing videos or writing articles as a freelancer is making money online, but they're still active. Your time equals your money. So, here are 8 passive income strategies that still work. 1. Dividend stocks and ETFs that still pay off. This is a classic for a reason. It works. When you own a dividend stock, you own a tiny piece of a company, and the company shares a portion of its profits with you. In 2025, the simplest way to do this is through dividend ETFs, exchange-traded funds. Think of them as baskets containing dozens of reliable, dividend-paying companies. This diversifies your risk and automates the process. Turn on a dividend reinvestment plan, and your earnings will automatically buy more shares, creating a powerful compounding effect. 2. Building and monetizing digital products. This is one of the most powerful passive income models today. You pour your knowledge into a digital product once, and you can sell it an infinite number of times. Think bigger than just an ebook. In 2025, the market is hot for specialized assets, such as Notion templates, professional video editing presets, custom AI prompt packs, or short, impactful online courses. Automation tools handle the sales and delivery, so you can focus on creating the next product. 3. High-yield savings and bonds, safer but smaller wins. Let's talk about the bedrock of any passive income portfolio. High-yield savings accounts and government bonds won't make you a millionaire overnight, but they offer a stable, low-risk return on your cash. Think of this as your financial foundation. You know, a secure place to park your money where it outpaces standard savings accounts and works for you 24/7, no matter what the market is doing. 4. Affiliate marketing in the age of AI tools. Affiliate marketing used to be about spamming links. Today, it's about authenticity. You build an audience around a topic you're passionate about, whether through a blog, YouTube channel, or Instagram page, and recommend products you genuinely use and love. The passive magic happens when your content, optimized for search engines, is discovered by people for months or years to come. AI tools can now accelerate your research and content creation, helping you build your library of helpful content faster than ever. 5. YouTube, podcasts, and evergreen content creation. The key word here is evergreen. A video reviewing a new smartphone will be irrelevant in a year. A video explaining how to budget for your first home can attract views and ad revenue for a decade. By building a library of timeless, helpful content, you create an asset that continuously generates income from ads, sponsorships, and affiliate links long after you hit publish. 6. Blogging and SEO-powered authority sites. Blogging is far from dead. It has just evolved. The strategy now is to build a niche authority site that becomes the go-to resource for a specific topic. By mastering search engine optimization, you create articles that answer questions people are searching for. Once established, these sites can generate significant passive income through display ads and affiliate marketing with only minimal maintenance required. 7. Building a paid community or membership platform. Once you've built an audience that trusts you, you can offer them a premium experience. This could be a paid newsletter with deep insights, a private community on a platform like Discord where members can network and learn, or access to exclusive content. This model creates a stable, predictable, recurring revenue stream built on the value you provide to your most loyal followers. 8. AI automation businesses. The next level isn't just using AI, but selling AI. Entrepreneurs are now building small businesses that create and manage AI-powered bots and automations for other companies. For example, building a custom AI chatbot for e-commerce stores or a workflow automation for real estate agents. You build the system once and get paid a retainer to maintain it. The takeaway: building meaningful passive income in 2025 requires patience, strategy, and a focus on long-term sustainability. It's like planting a tree today, one that will eventually offer lasting shade and fruit, rather than chasing the brief excitement of quick profits. The economic landscape will continue to evolve, but the principles of value creation and smart investing will remain. Approach your journey with a mindset of continuous learning, adaptation, and resilience. Every dollar earned passively is a vote for your own financial freedom. Start building your future, one stream at a time.